This is YouTube the website by Taha, Luke, Anthony, Kalani, Joseph, Mason, and Daryl. What is YouTube? YouTube is an information system developed for the upload of video to the World Wide Web. As a video sharing website, it allows users to view, upload, stream, comment, and rate an ever-expanding library of video content. This content is created by both corporations as well as users, open to everyone and only limited to the use of offensive or copyrighted material. As a social media platform, it has a wide net being used by all ages, but is mainly targeted towards younger demographics. Available on nearly every platform imaginable, YouTube can be found on computers, smartphones, game consoles, tablets, streaming devices, and more. It provides this content generally for free for users while generating its revenue from advertisements. The range of video content on YouTube has a mind-boggling range from entertainment, education, and everything in between. With 1.8 billion users logging in every month in 90 different countries, YouTube has become for video content what Google has become for search engines. Where did YouTube come from? Providing video as a medium of information has been a focus of society for many decades. First spread into homes by television, the broadcasting and scope was very limited. Video media continued to grow and expand, becoming one of the primary sources of information in the country. With the invention of the internet, television evolved to accommodate new markets. Internet television and streaming services such as Netflix began to provide cheaper and more easily accessible video media. Founded in February 2005, YouTube began making it easy for anyone to post video content to the internet. It quickly became one of the fastest growing websites on the World Wide Web. In 2011, every minute, 48 hours of video was uploaded to YouTube. This has increased to over 300 hours of video per minute. With over 1 billion hours of video watched daily on YouTube, it has become the ideal source of video content and creation on the internet. Information institutions. Prior to the launch of YouTube, media and content from many traditional institutions was physically stored on copies or hard drives, and access was given upon request. With the implementation of YouTube's cloud access, media can now be stored in the cloud and access is available virtually anywhere. For educational institutions, this meant that content is more readily available. Instructors were able to expand their horizon of material. The second thing that happened was that content was readily available at any time if you have an internet connection. This eliminated the process of scouting material and presenting it in an efficient manner. Content is borrowed and not necessarily owned, which offers institutions a lot more content instead of purchasing everything. YouTube changed the way we view and access media by offering a library of information whenever and wherever needed. Institutions that once managed and handled loads of physical content now have access to cloud that can hold all of their media. This changed the way these professions organized and handled media content. Direction was shift from categorizing media content to filtering it for usable data due to the influx of it. Professionals that handled media content on a specific domain or blog now moved all their content to YouTube and created their own channels and networks. The rise of consumer sparked a full-time career that provides high revenue and excellent content. Information technology. YouTube is the largest video sharing website on the internet. It has a huge database of users and videos, which is backed by Google's many data centers hosted around the country. With over 400 hours worth of video being uploaded to the site every minute, these data centers continue to increase in numbers. YouTube makes up 18% of all internet downstream and allows users to upload and share content with millions of people in seconds. YouTube is a perfect example of Web 2.0, which allows users to post videos to the site and interact with one another. YouTube at its core is a content sharing site. Without its users uploading videos and contributing to the site, YouTube wouldn't be as popular and well known as it is today. Users can leave comments, upload video, stream, and even rate videos. Users interacting with one another either through posting new content, viewing videos, or even having discussions in the comments makes YouTube the perfect example of Web 2.0. When it comes to cloud computing, YouTube itself does not use cloud computing to run the site and store videos, but functions as a cloud computing service for users who create an account. Users can upload videos to YouTube servers and either make them public or private depending on if you want to share them with the world or keep them to yourself. This allows users to save and store all their videos on YouTube, making it function as a personal or public cloud. All of the videos uploaded to YouTube are stored on their servers and transmitted through one of Google's many data centers. And anytime a user wants to watch a video, it is transmitted from the data center and to the user. YouTube uses a real-time feedback loop for the recommendation system to make sure their users are being catered to them directly with the suggestion videos and interests. They use such data like what users are or are not watching, how much time they spend watching. They also take into consideration the likes, dislikes, and comments from each user. The video with the most watch time are ranked higher than videos with the most views. Having a YouTube account or having it linked with an email is the best way to use their algorithms to the full potential. YouTube also uses your data collected along with viewers with similar viewing histories. They also suggest videos based on what is trending, what is popular, and what other people similar to you are viewing. YouTube is designed for its users. It is a hub that allows content creators to be able to post within their guidelines whatever they want. This is an amazing system for anyone with a creative itch and has become a viable way to make a living. This fact alone allows YouTube to stand out from most content-driven websites. YouTube has two sides to its platform, the content creators and the viewers. YouTube has thrust itself into the spotlight as a prominent force in entertainment world while also giving a seamlessly boundless audience for content creators. However, YouTube isn't without its flaws. Due to the sheer size of YouTube's user population, there is an automated report system in place in order to reduce general issues involved with content on the site. If needed, employees will take over in situations where necessary. In 2016, YouTube implemented a change to how their content ID system works. Prior to this, revenue earned from a channel was awarded to the party that filed a content ID strike. This was obviously an abuse in order to earn revenue from channels while the content strike was being reviewed. Many high-end YouTubers were affected, such as PewDiePie and many others, due to the fact that a larger conglomerate company could copy strike a video for a small clip and could take any ad revenue for that entire video. YouTube's system is constantly adapting. They're always trying to mitigate unwanted activity on their site. YouTube's support system can fix any unwarranted bans, and most issues experienced by content creators is eventually handled. Despite its flaws, YouTube is an easily accessible platform for both sides of content. YouTube's policy on harmful or dangerous content includes not allowing content involving or encouraging violence, danger, illegal activity, or anything that could result in serious harm or death. The only way any sort of these videos would be allowed on YouTube is if they were for educational, documentary, scientific, or artistic purposes. YouTube collects your views data along with your information you have added to your account when you sign up. They might also collect data about your locations or IP addresses. They then use information to tailor videos and also ads before or during videos each user watches. YouTube has had and has struggled with in the past many times people taking advantage of other users online who do not understand how to keep information private. As a general warning, make sure you don't share anything with anybody on the internet that could reveal who you are or where you live. In conclusion, YouTube is a massive site dedicated to user enjoyment and entertainment. Though YouTube has its flaws, it is constantly trying to get better and hopefully will down the line result in more serious content. Now, make sure that when it comes to YouTube, you watch in moderation, but go and enjoy whatever next video you're looking forward to. Thank you very much.